Alas, he's back once again. Nandito po tayo sa Batangas, Tanawan. Ito po ang Victory Mall, Tanawan Mall Market. Nandito lang po ang ukay-ukay shoes, garments, bag. Naka 30% sila. Batangas, Tanawan. Alas in. Ito po yung mga kagamitan lahat ng mga ukay-ukay shoes and bags, garments. Napakarami po niyan. Dito lang po sa Batangas, Tanawan. Katapat lang po ng Victory Mall. Ito po yung laki ng ukay-ukay outlet. Pwede kayong pumunta at pumasyal dito at bumili. Naka 30% na po sila. Uumpisahan na po natin sa shoes. Palladium triple double white, price $980, 30% discount. Palladium triple double white, Reebok Istapam size 9, price $1280, 30% discount. Size 9 Reebok. Nike shoes size 10, price $1880, 30% discount. Nike Air Bubble, Adidas Tubular size 9.5, price $1580, 30% discount. Nike shoes Air Force One, price $1280, 30% discount. Size 9 Air Force One. Nike Michael Jordan Nike, price $1880, 30% discount. Size 9.5 Nike Michael Jordan. Nike Air Bubble, price $780, size 6 Nike Air Bubble. Vans, price $680, size 6, 30% discount. All items shoes 30%, all items. Nike Huarache, price $680, size 6 Nike Huarache, 30% discount, all items. Vans, size 6, price $680, 30% discount. Vans. Nike shoes size 11, price $1880, 30% discount. Nike NASA New Balance size 12, price $1580, 30% discount. New Balance. Palladium size 7, price $680, Palladium shoes. Nike Air Max size 5, price $680, Nike Air Max Bubble. Converse shoes size 8, Converse shoes, price $980, Converse shoes. New Balance triple double black, price $680, size 8. New Balance triple double black. Nike Signature Dennis Rodman triple double white, price $1880. Signature Dennis Rodman triple double white, size 9 Dennis Rodman. Collection Dennis Rodman. Maraming salamat. Batangas, Tanawan. Thank you. Alas, naka 30% na po sila sa ukay-ukay shoes, Batangas, Tanawan. Ito lang po ang Victory Mall Market, Tanawan. Ito lang po ang shoes, naka 30%. Alas, back to back. Thank you.